Complete meal plan for vegetarian. Embark on a journey with our complete meal plan for vegetarians that brings variety and flavor to your plate. Enjoy a week of delicious meat-free dishes that will satisfy your taste buds and keep you energized. Discover the joy of cooking with fresh, wholesome ingredients tailored for a vegetarian lifestyle. The complete meal plan for vegetarian is all about filling your plate with vibrant, plant-based goodness. Expect a variety of meals featuring fresh vegetables, hearty grains, and protein-rich legumes, ensuring you get all the nutrients you need without any meat. Think colorful salads, delicious grain bowls, and hearty veggie stews. This plan is perfect for those looking to embrace a healthier lifestyle while enjoying diverse and flavorful dishes. It offers an easy way to enjoy vegetarian meals daily, providing the necessary variety and balance for every meal. Incorporate a variety of protein sources like lentils, chickpeas, and quinoa to ensure you get all essential amino acids. For a vegetarian diet, planning is key. Buy seasonal produce as it's cheaper and fresher. Frozen vegetables are a great budget-friendly option and minimize waste.